Good afternoon, everyone. In this lecture series, we are going to see the topic hybrid tea. So, why hybrid teas are needed? What is the purpose of the hybrid tree? Hybrid tree, it is nothing but the combination of E plane as well as H plane tea. Suppose if you are taking in a balanced microwave systems, so the power division and the combination, how the signal has been distributed to the simultaneous power, and it will combine all those powers. It has to prevent the interference and maintains the signal integrity between the ports. So for that we are going for the isolation. If it comes under your system optimization, we have to enhance the performance and reliability in complex wave microwave environments. What is a hybrid T? So we know that E plane, we are having E plane T, H plane T. Just we have to combine both E plane and H plane. It is known as integrated T. So in E plane, it will splits or combines the signal vertically. In case of the H plane T, it splits and combines the signal horizontally. So this is the difference between the E plane and H plane. Now I am going to integrate these two T junctions, that is termed to be as the integrated T junction. So here we are using for the optimal power distribution and signal integrity. The next one, we are going to see what are all the arms and what are all the ports present. A hybrid T, it is also called as the magic T. If it comes under your collinear ports, it will serve as an input and output for the signals. H arms means sum of input, E arm means difference of the input signal. So this is the difference between the H arm, another one will be the E arm. The working principle, already I have mentioned that we are having H plane T and E plane T. It is a combination, or hybrid is a combination of both the H plane as well as E plane. So here we are having two signals, that is one is equal signals, another one will be the phase signals. So if the signal is equal at the collinear ports, what happens means in H-arm it will add, at the same time in negative, that is in E, it will cancel the arm. So it is the reverse process of the opposite phase signals. So it will cancel the H arm and it will add the E arm. That is the difference between the E plane and H plane. So while coming to that of the characteristics, we are having three main characteristics. The power will be equal. We are going to split the power evenly between the collinear ports, and we have to prevent the interference. For that we are going for the E arm and H arm. The matched ports, we are having the equal impedance for the optimal signal transfer. So these are all the characteristics we are having. And while coming to that of the practical and ideal case, in ideal case there will be the zero reflection, perfect isolation in the ideal condition. But in case of the hybrid, we are having small mismatch and the finite solution in the practical scenarios. So this is the difference between the practical case as well as the ideal case. The magic T, it is also called as the hybrid T. Next one, we are going to measure the evaluation. So we are having three types of the measurements in order to measure this. One is isolation measurement, return loss measurement, and third one is the coupling measurement. The applications where the applications has been used, the hybrid Ts are used in, it is used in the radar, and it is used in the microwave mixtures, the antenna feed networks we are using in the antennas. This is the mind map. So here we are having the specification of the E plane as well as H plane, and if we combine both E plane and H plane, it will be form as a magic T, that is hybrid. We know that hybrid T is also known as magic T. It is a four-port waveguide junction because E plane and H plane has been combined. The hybrid T is formed by combining an E plane as well as the H plane.